Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way to go have family dinner because Jonas is back. So let's see where we go. All right, here he is. Look at it, just freshly back from scout camp. Look at his little sunburnt cheeks. Did you have a fun time?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The hike.
The hike. Cool. I have some little video that I'll put in and some pictures that they had.
On the bottom.
Awesome. They had a good time. So where do you guys want to go eat for dinner?
Del Taco.
Del Taco. Really? Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's go to Del Taco. So a little bit later, I have a 4th of July craft that I wanted to show you that was so easy to do and super cheap and really quite fun. I almost forgot that we were eating at Del Taco. So this is the carne asada burrito, just some beans and rice, and it has some chips. It's pretty good. And chili cheese fries. What you got down there, Hezzy?
Two quesadillas and
Quesadillas. And then this hungry camper devoured his food. What a surprise. And then Kobe also had some tacos, right? Had tacos. I know. I was like, oh, maybe I should show everybody what we're eating. But these are they're called the platos, and they're pretty good. So whenever we do Mexican food, Brady always seems to want to do some ice cream afterwards. So we're gonna go to Dairy Queen. So we have a Dairy Queen that's pretty close by us here. Hey, Ezzy.
Hi.
But we're gonna go on to the other side of town. I mean, it's like 15 minutes or so away because we only have the worst experiences at this Dairy Queen by our house. So
They suck.
oh, it's so bad. Like, you know, chastise us, you know, teenagers thinking they know more than we do. We happen to be connoisseurs of ice cream. So, yeah. Anyways, this, the one that we're going to is one of our favorites. So, we're not going to go to the one over here. We'll go even further away. Time to get some dessert. Yes.
Hi guys.
You'll see.
And the other people.
And of lots of chocolate. We have some berry cheesecake.
Summer berry cheesecake.
Summer berry cheesecake. You got a Heath. What you got, Ezzy?
Strawberry with like chocolate in it.
White chocolate, yeah. And then Paul has
Cookie dough.
cookie dough. So, of course, Dairy Queen was awesome. And Jonas was telling us some more stuff at camp. And then it brought up a bunch of stories from Kobe and Paul. Boys are gross. So, right now we are on our way to Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Because Paul needs to get some stuff, a couple of things because of what he's building. And so maybe I'll be doing some painting a little later. What are you going to buy at Home Depot?
Nothing.
Nothing? Are you going to do a little dance down the hallway or down the aisle? Oh, yeah. Let's go see what Dad needs.
Yeah.
Aren't they so pretty? I love succulents.
I like,
And even the fake ones look real.
I like this one.
But these are real ones.
I like this one. I like both of them.
They're very nice, huh?
I like
Little self checking out. Those are some fancy little screens, huh? Fuzzy. So if Kobe was a criminal, you would be 6'2". Okay, here comes
No,
criminal.
Like 4'11".
He's 5 foot. No, he's 5 foot.
It's 4'11".
No, it's 5 foot.
Barely.
Oh man, you are 3'11". Wow. that's about it for tonight. We are just going to wind down a little bit. The boys are going to play some video games, but I'll show you in the morning what we're working on in the garage, and I'm so excited to finish. So I'll show you a little bit more tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's about 10:30. I've already taken Kobe to work, and as you can see, I'm painting my more of my kitchen chairs black. Let me go show you what Paul's doing in the garage. But before I go and show you what he's doing in the garage, I wanted to put in the really fun DIY patriotic decor that is super easy to do, super cheap too. So let me put that here, and then we'll go see Paul. To make a 4th of July banner, you're going to need 4 of these from the Dollar Tree. They have an American flag scarf or a bandana, and then it has blue or red, so you'll need 2 of them with blue and then 2 of them with red. So it's going to be 8 bandanas. You'll need some sharp scissors and some twine to make this special rope. That's going to be so patriotic. So pretty much all I'm doing is cutting them into strips. So cut these open. And then we're going to cut out very carefully because it's almost like a rayon of sorts. So hopefully your scissors are nice and sharp. But you're just going to cut out the square. And you're also going to cut out this sewn edge. Just so it has more of a frayed look. And then I'll show you what we're going to do with the square or with the stars. And then you're going to cut out this little part here and put that also to the side. And then you're pretty much just going to cut out the strips. You can see right here, I have some piles. So I'll just finish this one. So with these small pieces, these squares, all I'm gonna do is hot glue the edges and create a new long piece to cut into strips. That way we can use all of the scarf. Now I'm putting my hot glue on, but if I need to add some more, I can just add a couple of dots underneath here. So now I'm just gonna cut them into long strips and add them to the piles. So now we're going to make the rope. So you're just gonna take you can do it however you would like to. If you wanna do one red, one white, one blue. I'm gonna try to mimic a little bit of the American flag. So I'm gonna make mine more blue on one side and then stripe the red and whites together. So I haven't cut out a twine, like a length, so to say. I'm just gonna keep rolling it out. So depending on how long it is, because I'm not quite sure how long it will be. So you're going to find your center, and you're going to go around the twine, and then you're going to take those longer pieces and loop it through. So it's just going to make a type of a knot on there. I'm going to bring it closer and show you again. So here's the twine. You find your center, which is fairly easy on some of these because it's where I glued it. So you're just going to put it over the twine, and then you're going to take your 2 pieces and go under and pull. So it's like a little knot. Sorry, it's not looking so pretty, but I hope you get it. You could probably just tie a knot as well too if that was a little more complicated. Now, I found this idea from the Daily DIYer, and I think it's an awesome little decor that can be made for the 4th of July, and then I will show you what it looks like when it's done. And here it is. It's all done. So you can see it's got nice little patriotic colors. What I am going to do now is just trim a little bit off the bottom so they're more equal in size. So there is a lot of fraying that's going on, which is good. It's kind of like a rag quilt effect, but I'm super pleased with it. Let me know in the comments what you think. So easy, right guys? Wasn't that so easy to do and super cute? I'll show you on where I still have it hanging in my house. There it is, super cute. I'm gonna probably fix it up a little bit. I think it's starting to droop a tiny bit, but it's still looking super cute. Now I'm gonna go show you what Paul's doing. You're covered in wood. Oh, let me just say man glitter. Man glitter, that's what he says. So he's cutting a lot of wood pieces, and I think I've teased it enough, but
Don't tell them yet.
Don't tell them.
No.
Why? Well, I guess you're just gonna have to wait a little bit longer, but don't worry, it'll be so soon because you'll figure it out. So I'm so glad to have you stop by my channel. I'm so glad for the kind comments, for the wonderful interactions. I just love you guys so much. I want you also to be expecting some really great vlogs coming up as we'll be traveling. So I'll be showing you some favorite eats and hopefully some great recipes too. So you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye everyone.